Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to delete your pins from Pinterest. This is very easy, let's jump right in. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, you have to open your Pinterest account and here you have to click on this top right bottom your profile icon. After that, from here you have to select your pin which you want to delete. For example, I want to delete this pin. To delete this pin, you have to click on top right three dots. Here you can see you have to click on this top right three dots. When you click on this three dots, now here you have to click on this edit button. Here you can see click on this edit button. After that, here you can see the delete button at the left bottom. You have to click on this delete button. When you click on this delete button, now here you have to click on again delete. When you click on again delete, now here you can see this pin has been deleted. In this way you can delete your pin from your Pinterest account. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.